Hello, in this video I will explain what is a passphrase and how to set it up on Ellipal X Card. A passphrase is do you know, like you probably know, what a seed phrase is? A seed phrase is these 12, 18 or 24 words that you have for recovering your wallet. And with those 24 or whatever words, you can enter them on any other wallet and it will let you access all the funds, because based on those words, private keys are generated, and those private keys are used to just access the money, and the private keys are always generated the same way based on the BIP39 seed phrase. Now, a passphrase is an additional word, an additional like 25th word. If you have 24 words, then you can say it's the 25th word, and adding one word at the end completely changes how the whole private keys are generated, which means it generates a second wallet with that passphrase. And I think it's really great because it lets you just use a different wallet, and I'll show you how to set it up. And you can, for example, like use one wallet without a passphrase and one with a passphrase, or two different ones with two different passphrases, or several different ones with different passphrases. So to do it, let's turn on the X Card starter, because we'll need to do it to set the thing up. Now go to options, approve it with the OK button, go to passphrase, then click on next. Remember that when you recover a wallet, you'll need to set it again to access the funds that are saved on the wallet with a passphrase, because you can like call it different wallets, one with a passphrase, one without, or multiple without. And ensure that you fully understand it, and otherwise you may lose your assets, which cannot be recovered. Also, it's worth noting that the passphrase can be from 1 to, I believe, 32 digits, and it is case sensitive, can have special symbols as well and stuff like that. So it's also very important to remember all the like letter case, whether it's uppercase or lowercase, and the spaces and stuff like that. Now the passphrase is on, so once it is on, if you want to add it to a currently existing wallet like this card, it's already set up, then I'll need to use a recover wallet option or create wallet and create it with a passphrase. But I will recover it from a passphrase that I have written down for this wallet that's already here. So I'm using like the same passphrase, but the same seed phrase, but with a new passphrase. So let's do it. I'll just simply recover the wallet. Let's go here, but you can create it, as I said. Now insert the Ellipal X card. Keep the card inserted until done. Select a seed phrase option. I have the 12 actually. Now enter the passphrase first. So you can see as I'm like changing the buttons, first I'm selecting whether it's lowercase, uppercase, or special symbols. I'll do an uppercase first, then click on the OK button and select the first letter. I went the wrong way actually, because I wanted to do an H. Also, don't share your passphrase with anyone. I'm sharing it with you only because I won't be transferring any funds into this wallet with the passphrase, so I don't need to worry about that. But if you are planning on transferring any funds, don't share your passphrase as well as the seed phrase. Now I'll go with the lowercase and I will select the letter A. Now let's get with a lowercase again, and the letter R. And yeah, it's 1 to 32 digits, as you can see. I was thinking about getting the hard reset, but I'll just do hard for the sake of this video not being too long. But I think that you already understand. First, you need to select whether it's lowercase, uppercase, or special symbols, and enter it, and then it goes to the next field. And also select whether it's lowercase, uppercase, or special symbols, and so on. Once you're done with it, select the OK, like this thing right here. Click on OK. Confirm your passphrase whether it's correct and whether you can remember it. And now enter your seed phrase, word by word, which means I need to enter. If you want to learn more about recovering from a seed phrase, there is a video on it. So like you can see it there, and that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.